Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. In one of my previous videos, I took you on a tour of my home, showing you how I use some of my fall sewing projects. And your response was very positive. So I've decided to do the same thing with my Christmas projects. So I'll take you again on a tour of my home, showing you how I use some of them. If you're interested in the fall project video, I will have a link to that below your YouTube screen, and all of the items you see in this video, I will have links below your YouTube screen. So you scroll down to the description section, click on the word more, and then it will expand open and you will see those video links appearing. Well, I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking at some of these projects. Remember, the links to all of these items are below your YouTube screen in the description section. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and make sure you check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.